6 months of hard work has paid off for the community of Tamagotonga with the completion of the pastor's new residence. Last Saturday, festivities began with a short church service before the official opening of the house, which is said to have cost over $220,000 to build. The Tamagotonga community from near and far gathered to celebrate this milestone in the village, and as with all esteemed New Year celebrations, the village also put on a large feast for all to enjoy. This was followed by songs and dances from the various groups. The committee responsible for developments of the buildings are thankful to the community who assisted in the work to develop and build the house, as well as those who came from afar to join in the festivities.
Poi mai la che tu tala taua Mana tu hataua maveanga si poi mai la mahaku matafuluola si kata mai la che tu tala taua manatu hataua maveanga sikata maila mahaku matafuluola
The community are hoping that this will be an adequate place for the village pastor and family, and it will also serve as a unifying location for the community in future. Most of the visiting groups will be departing the island this coming Friday.